a very practical one. And yeah, welcome to our session. Please stay muted. Yeah, let's take it away. Peter, how are you today?
Very well, thank you. Very well. Yeah, working from home, but I'm in spirit with you guys.
No, all good. Doesn't matter where you are from. This is supposed to be an online, accessible to everybody. We're not leaving anyone behind.
Exactly, I'll say.
Great. All right, so let's talk about open houses. Your fast track to leads. I think we underestimate the power of open houses or show houses. And yes, we've been spoiled maybe to like say, okay, we don't have to do so many anymore. However, how can we get back into getting open houses and using it as a powerful lead source tool? Can you have more that?
Yes. In the shift book, there's a quotation that I want to read. Gary said, scarcity defines a shift. Okay, so scarcity defines a shift. Instantly, you get it. You recognize that for now, a good lead are a great lead, and a great lead are golden. But leads that become timely appointments are what really matters.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's very good, because from lead generation, it must be go over to lead conversion. And that's perfectly for the show house.
Yeah, I love this. And yes, if there's anything, if you don't know what to do to get leads, and you don't even have to have a listing, by the way, in South Africa or in Keller Williams, by the way, to do an open house or a show house, because we have so many listings inside Keller Williams. How about we start showing each other's properties? If you don't have a great listing, collaborate with your colleagues.
Yes.
Great property. And by the way, show houses is not to attract buyers, that you all know that. What is the biggest purpose of a show house? Peter, do you know?
Yeah, it's to attract your sellers, definitely. Because the buyers that come there and the buyers that want to buy probably have to sell something.
Exactly, yeah.
I've put in the chat box, I've put the way how you can use your command in the show house. So everyone can just go to the chat box and just copy that and paste it in your computer. You can use your command excellent in connection with the smart plan when you have an open house. Automatically, when they sign in, it's on your database, on your smart plan, and they get immediately a WhatsApp or SMS and the email as they walk through the house. And there's a QR code as well, so that they can scan and see the properties of them.
I love that. And this is now also where your consumer app is a brilliant tool to use as well. If that is not thinking about, if it's something else. Yeah, I think this is a big way to still, it's a lead generating source and activity, a show house or an open house, or even an open hour. Another way to do this is probably if you have a lot of inquiries on one good listing, probably because it's well priced, and that there's demand of properties in that specific area of the price and size, you can arrange a 2-hour for all the buyers to slot in every 15 or 20 minutes and get assistance from your market center team to assist. We are a team. We succeed through others. There's no I in team. This is where we have to, our leverage is to lean on each other for support like this, because it's a win-win for everybody. And I think also show houses is it's actually one of the fastest and most cost-effective ways to meet potential buyers and sellers. It's brand awareness for free. It doesn't cost anything. And if you can treat this as a purposeful lead generation event, every visitor is an opportunity to grow your business. You must see it like that. Every visitor. You want to add something, Peter?
Yes, I think preparation is much important if you want to do a show house. In terms of the house itself, that it can be neat, accessible to people, and also to be a homework, to know exactly what is on the defect list and what's the entails of the property. Preparation.
Exactly, preparation is key. So on page 71 in the shift book, there is a 7-level step-by-step guide how to prepare for an open house. It takes 7 days, meaning that you're going to start the Monday before, and the 7th day is the day of the show. It tells you what to do every single daily, every single day. I mean, how easy can this be? So on page 71, it's level 1 to level 7. So I'm not going to get into the detail of this. You can go into the shift book and go and see how can I make my show house the best ever for it to attract leads.
Yes, that is excellent. That is excellent. On the PDF book is also page 71, just for those that you have that.
Okay, great. Thank you, Peter. Yeah, and this is part of your preparation. This is part of your promotion. And this is part of your follow-up for your show houses. And that will determine your success. If you follow a proper plan. If you are failing to plan, you are planning to fail for your show houses. And I think also every open house should generate future and multiple future appointments, not just one. If you're doing it the right way and you're doing your promotion and your preparation the right way, it should be a multiple lead generation tool.
Yeah, for buyers and sellers, definitely. It's important to put it early in the week on your map so that you can pull through to property 24 and people can see that. That's on the show house. Exactly.
You should do it before Wednesday. On Wednesday, I think it's private property that sends it out, and by Friday, P24, or the other way around. Maybe property 24 is Wednesday and the other one. I know there's 2 days, a Wednesday and a Friday, so do it before Wednesday. So it tells you your level 1 will be Monday. It's putting up the sign on show. This will be on show this weekend with your sale sign. Just make sure that it is part of your municipal bylaws that you're allowed to put an on-show board. But definitely make sure that it's onto internet, social media. So please go and use this tool. This is your homework for your next open house or your show house. And I think also, if you are going to greet visitors nicely and with curiosity, what is curiosity? It means you're going to ask a lot of questions. And if you add value rather than pressure on the day, add value rather than pressure, because then people will always come to your show house or your open houses. And people will start talking to say, go to that agent show house because it's really done well. Or you will surely find something from her or him. What do you think, Peter? Anything you want to add?
Something that sticking his head out these days is people that advertise a show house and then they are never at the house itself. I see that multiple times in our area as well. So they advertise show house and then there's a number, call me, and then they will do something. But that's not the show house. The show house is to be there. Actually, it's illegal to advertise a show house and not being there because it's untrue advertising.
Yeah, it shows by appointment only. That is what's happening a lot. I know exactly what you're referring to. A show house, what we're talking about today is to be physically there. You put up a gazebo if you have one. Use one from your office. I'm sure somebody will let you use these. Put up flags, make it nice, and it will also tell you, yeah, add balloons, and these are all of the things that you must do. Attract people. It must look like something fun to be at. And I know a few years ago, one of our agents also did a little braai next to the road at the show house with boerewors rolls. Do you imagine how people would have stopped because of that? Because if they went into the house, as they come out, they get a boerewors. I mean, that's freaking brilliant.
Yeah, myself and Johan did that with the roadshow in Doornpoort, and it was incredible. People talked about that. When I talked to people afterwards, I said, yes, I remember you. Yeah, you had a free boerewors on that day.
Yeah, that's really amazing. All right, let's jump into our questions. But questions to leave with you again, action steps for you to take. So how can I make my next open house or show house feel professional and memorable? Professional and memorable. And then the second one is, what systems do I have for collecting and tracking visitor information? So remember, Peter shared in the chat.
Yes. Yeah, use that, and in connection with your smart plans, you will always be on top of your visitors.
Yes. All right, the third one. What is my follow-up plan within 24 hours after my show house or my open house on a Monday? To make sure that your follow-up plan is, let's say, solid. All right, the next one I have is, how can I use my open house or show house to meet potential sellers as well as buyers. Remember what we said, show us, yes, you will attract buyers as well, but it's actually to attract more sellers, because if they see the value that you're bringing to other sellers, people would want to list with you because they would want to sell, especially if you can sell that property on the show house day. I mean, that has happened multiple times, but it can only happen if you are actually there and doing it with a proper marketing plan. All right, and then my last question is, when is my next open house or show house scheduled? And what's my plan for it? Are you starting to plan your next one? Any thoughts you want to add, Peter?
I think we are a bit scared about show houses for some other reason. Maybe you don't like the Sunday afternoon or whatever, or maybe you think it's a risk, but take people with you, take your colleagues with you, you're with a team. And if you don't want to do it on a Saturday, do it on a Sunday, do it on a Saturday morning. It's just as effective.
Yeah, and make sure that you are there and plan and prep it, invite your colleagues to join you. I love that too. So this will only work if you're going to take action. So everybody take action in your business, get back to those show houses, open houses. It is nice and warm now. People are outside. Get out there, because this will bring you business. It's a free leading source. See you all tomorrow.
That's it. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.